Hello, everybody. Myself, Devolika Roy. I'm the HOD of Arts Visual Academy. And now today I'm going to discuss about the Navratna Gemstones. I hope all of you must have kabhi na kabhi manual way CAD mein you guys have done the Navratna ring या फिर Navratna necklace. कुछ ना कुछ तो किया ही होगा. So, do you have any idea about what is Navratna, from where this term Navratna has come from, and anything about Navratna gemstones? Right. From 9 planets. Okay. So, yes, you are correct. The thing is, this Navratna gemstone, this term is a Sanskrit term. Okay. Now, Sanskrit mein Nava means 9, which denotes the 9 planets. And Ratna means gemstones. So, Nava Ratna, 9 gemstones. Now, what is the use of this gemstones? Actually, this has derived from the Vedic astrology. Okay, it has been used in the Vedic astrology. Astrology में क्या होता है? It's a belief that this 9 gemstones represents the 9 planets. So when a person is going through any turmoil in the life में कोई भी ups and downs हमारे होते ही है, वो financially हो, health wise हो, anything, the positive energies, negative energies, anything, any plus minus, whatever is going on in our life, this is because of this 9 planets, the positioning of this 9 planets. Now, what happens in astrology? It is believed that this 9 gemstone is representing the 9 planets to the person who is having the wo planet. Suppose somebody is having some issues related to Saturn. Suppose somebody is having some issues in the life, whatever. Just now I said financial हो सकता है, वो mental हो सकता है, any problem in life. In astrology, it is believed that these gemstones representing the planets will be dragging the positive energy in the life and solving all the problems that is going on in the life from any aspect. As I said, financial हो सकता है, mental हो सकता है, personal life हो सकता है, anything. Now, let's move to the jewelry items. Now, these gemstones we use in the Navratna jewelry. जैसे pendant होते हैं, जैसे rings होते हैं. Mostly, this has been used in rings. So, rings के लिए what we do? We use 2 different types of settings. When Navratna jewelry is made, 2 different types of setting is done. The mostly used is the bezel setting or polki setting, which we call in local terms polki setting or bezel setting in technical terms. Why bezel setting is being used? This also has an astrological perspective. When bezel setting means the metal is covering from the side and the bottom part is hollow. So when the bottom part is hollow, it is believed that when sunlight falls on the gemstone and it passes through the gemstone and touches the skin, then the positivity or the positive energy starts working, or it gets activated. So that's why this polki setting or bezel setting is mostly used in any type of astrological purpose. Astrological gemstones जब भी suggest करता है, so this setting is used. And here also in Navratna ring bolo, prongs are also used. ऐसा नहीं कि prongs are not used. In Navratna ring, prongs are also used, but most of the time bezel settings are being used. So, do you guys have any question, any doubt arising in your mind regarding this Navratna gemstones? Nothing? Okay. So, this is your task. Each one of you will create. I hope you're from both the departments, manual, CAD, both the students are here. Manual students will be making a manual Navratna ring, and the CAD students will be making CAD Navratna ring, and all of you will be showing me both the designs, okay, manual and CAD, on the topic Navratna gemstones. Okay, clear? Thank you so much.